महाराष्ट्र समाज सेवा संघ रचना अँड नवरचना विद्यालय ब्रिज कोर्स स्टँडर्ड 7th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश ॲक्टिव्हिटी 10 टू राईट सिंपल इन्फॉर्मल लेटर. Welcome student to this 10th activity. Students, in the last year you learned about a lesson, a letter from Hingoli. It is an informal letter. There are two types of letters. One formal letter and second is informal letter. Formal letter म्हणजे औपचारिक पत्र आणि इनफॉर्मल लेटर म्हणजे अनौपचारिक पत्र. Then what is the difference between these two letters? Informal letter we have to use words carefully. On such occasions, some typical expressions are used. Such letters include official letters, business letters, letters of application. And in an informal letter, you can use friendly, informal language. You can write this type of letters to your close relatives and friends. There are 5 parts of the letter writing. First one is heading. It can include your address and date. You just put your date only. Second one is greeting, the way of saying hello. Third one is body, content, where you write a message. Fourth one is closing, the way of saying goodbye. Best wishes like your loving daughter, sincerely, your friend, etc. And the fifth one is signature, where you sign your name. So, in this way, you can write a letter. Now, watch this video carefully. To write a letter, 3 things are more important. First one is begin with, म्हणजे सुरुवात. Second, last line, म्हणजे शेवटची ओळ. And third one is sign off, म्हणजे सगळ्यात शेवटची गोष्ट. We have to use different appropriate expressions to whom we addressed. Now, watch this video carefully.
When we write a letter, we should always specify the person whom we are writing the letter at the beginning. And in the end, you should end up with some loving or respectful words. Letter is addressed to father. Begin with dearest daddy. Last line, your daughter. Sign off with love and warm regards. Letter is addressed to younger brother. Begin with my dear brother. Last line, your only sister. Sign off with take care. Letter is addressed to friend. Begin with hi friend. Last line, your loving. Sign off with see you soon. Letter is addressed to boss. Begin with madam, sir. Last line, yours faithfully. Sign off with thank you. Letter is addressed to manager of bank. Begin with to the manager. Last line, yours sincerely. Sign off with regards. Letter is addressed to neighbor. Begin with dear Mr. Last line, your loving neighbor. Sign off with lots of love.
Now, the activity from the letter. I am going to give you a letter from Hingoli in PDF. You have to read and observe the letter. Then, underline the new words. Find the meanings of new words in dictionary. Then, underline the beginning, last line and sign off lines from the letter. Okay? Write down the parts of the letter. Say, whom do we write informal letter? And sixth one is Guess the occasion when informal letters are written. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे लेटर तुम्हाला मी PDF मध्ये पाठवत आहे. तुम्ही ते काळजीपूर्वक वाचायचं आहे. त्यानंतर या लेटर्समधले जे कठीण शब्द आहेत ते लिहायचे आहेत आणि त्यांचे अर्थ देखील डिक्शनरीमध्ये शोधून लिहायचे आहेत. देन या लेटरमधले जे बिगिनिंग, लास्ट लाईन, साइन ऑफ आलेले आहेत ते लिहायचे आहेत. त्यानंतर यामध्ये जे लेटरचे 5 पार्ट आहेत त्या 5 पार्ट्सला तुम्ही नावं द्यायची आहेत. पुढचा जो प्रश्न आहे की होम डू वी राईट इनफॉर्मल लेटर, म्हणजे आपण इनफॉर्मल लेटर कोणाला लिहितो ते तुम्ही लिहिणार आहात. अँड गेस द ऑकेजन व्हेन इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स आर रिटन, की असे ऑकेजन जेथे आपण अनौपचारिक पत्र हे लिहितो ते आपण केव्हा लिहितो हे तुम्ही लिहायचं आहे. अशा पद्धतीने दिस ऑल आर इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स फॉर यू. देन राईट डाऊन द ॲक्टिव्हिटी इन युअर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. The next activity is very simple. Translate the words into your mother tongue. You have given some words, very simple words, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, etc. You have to write down the meaning of these words. Okay. Then the next activity is for practice. In this activity, you have to write a letter. You have gone to spend a few days with your uncle in a village and write a letter to your father about your stay. Okay. The points has been given. You have to use these points while writing a letter. Okay. Now I am going to read this letter with given words. Okay. Pay attention to me. XYZ, Mamta Nagar, Shirgaon, Ratnagiri, 10th June 2021. Respected Daddy, I hope this letter finds you at home in the best of health. Today is my second day here. I feel very peaceful and restful. The people here are generous and hospitable. आता या ठिकाणी हॉस्पिटेबल नवीन शब्द आला आहे. यू हॅव टू फाइंड द मिनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड इन द डिक्शनरी. देन देर इज नथिंग लाईक विलेज लाईफ. इट isn't noisy at all like the city. Everything is so clean. Even the food is so healthy. I feel quite healthy environment. I wake up at 5 and after some time I have 2 parathas made by aunt. Then we go with the other children of the village to the nearby river for swimming. We have great fun. During the day we play various games. That's my daily routine. Coming back to you soon. Give my love to. आता इथे छोटा भाऊ किंवा बहीण याचं नाव तुम्ही लिहिणार आहात. देन युअर लव्हिंग सन XYZ. या पद्धतीने हे वर्ड्स फिल करून तुम्ही लेटर कंप्लीट करू शकता. अदरवाईज तुम्हाला हवे ते कुठलेही वर्ड्स या ठिकाणी वापरू शकता. देन द नेक्स्ट अँड द लास्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज राईट अ लेटर टू युअर फ्रेंड इन्व्हायटिंग हिम टू स्पेंड द दिवाळी व्हॅकेशन विथ यू. मे यूज द फॉलोइंग पॉईंट्स. You have given some points and with the help of these points you have to write a letter to your friend and invite him or her for Diwali vacation.